Horses in. Horses out, we have Kiss Me. Pass it again, Gracious Souls moving a body out. So now is Tempest. Esquisse comes next. Toy Porras down on the inside. Is entry number 1, that's Royal Key. And going along for the first turn, we have Kiss Me, the leader. And on the outside, second is Tempest. Esquisse is racing in third. Forever Young in fourth. Toy Porras is racing in fifth. Gracious Souls in 6, most unbelievable Royal Key, and Dugus Charm is the early trailer. And it's still Kiss Me by about 4 lengths now. Tempest still in second. Esquisse is on the outside third. Forever Young is down in fourth. Gracious Souls now trying to get closer in fifth. Toy Porras in 6, most unbelievable Royal Key, and Dugus Charm. And it's still Kiss Me by about 6 lengths. Forever Young now in second. Gracious Souls now in third. Tempest is down in fourth. Then comes Esquisse, most unbelievable. As they come down to the last 150. And it's still Kiss Me by about 3 lengths. Gracious Souls in second. Forever Young is down on the inside. Kiss Me, Forever Young, Gracious Souls in between horses. Kiss Me, Forever Young, Gracious Souls. Kiss Me, Forever Young. Kiss Me, Forever Young. And finally, it's a close finish between Kiss Me, Forever Young. Then comes Gracious Souls, most unbelievable.
Medyo dikit yun.